Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let's recontinue the series of tutorials on commerce. Directing for quality. Managers must motivate employees throughout the company to achieve quality goals. They must continually find ways to foster quality focus by training employees, encouraging involvement, and trying compensation to work quality. If managers succeed, employees will ultimately accept quality ownership. The idea and quality belongs to each person who creates it will certainly performing a job, although one who works at a Boeing Aerospace Support. For example, President David Sprong implemented quality program for improved support service, enable existing airplanes to be maintained and upgraded so they can fly for as long as 75 years. By following advanced criteria for quality improvement, including quality improvement teams and retraining employees to use quality related equipment, service costs have been cut down. While defects for one plane, the C 17, fell 95%. Controlling for quality. By monitoring the products and services of a company, can directly detect mistakes and make corrections. First, however, managers must establish specific standards and measurements. At a bank, for example, the control system for teller service might require supervisors to observe employees periodically and evaluate their work according to the checklist. The result would then be reviewed with the employees and would either confirm proper performance or indicate changes for bringing performances up to the standard. Tools for total quality management. Many companies rely on proven tools to manage quality. Ideas for improving both product and production of process often come from the comparative product analysis. Toshiba, for example, might take apart Xerox copier and test each component. The results would help managers decide which Toshiba product features are satisfactory and which features should be upgraded and which operation processes need improvement. Well, we service six of the most commonly used tools for TQM: value added analysis, statistical process control, quality cost studies, quality improvement teams, benchmarking, and getting closer to the customer. Let's talk about all of them one by one in detail. Value added analysis. Value added analysis refers to the evaluation of all work activities, material flows, and paperwork to determine the value that they add for their customers. It often reveals that the wasteful or unnecessary activities that can be eliminated without jeopardizing the customer services. The basic tenet is so important that Tootsie Roll Industries, the Vulnerable Candy Company, employs it as a corporate principle. We run a trim operation and continually strive to eliminate waste, minimize cost, and implement performance improvements. Statistical process control. Although every company would like to complete uniformity in its output, all firms experience unit to unit variations in products. Companies can, however, control product quality by understanding scores of improvements. Statistical process control, which is called SPC, refers to the method by which employees can gather data and analyze variations in the production activities to determine the adjustments. At EZ Acres, a 500 cow dairy farm near Homer, New York, personnel use SPC to control the dryness and the chemical composition of cattle feed. Office furniture manufacturer uses SPC to control the thickness of the paint on the products for the customers. Using SPC steel case improved consistency from painting techniques to cut the cost of the paint by 15%. Two of the most common SPC methods are process variation on studies and the control charts. Process variations.